What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Traveling Trader out here in beautiful Puerto Vallarta. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about a potential huge opportunity on a penny stock that is EV related. Now, it's obvious, but penny stocks could be extremely risky because of their low price and their huge price fluctuations, so you will want to size accordingly. Nothing is certain in the market, and this is just one man's opinion, so size accordingly according to your risk tolerance and your budget, and do your own research. And if you get anything out of this video, leave it a big fat thumbs up just like this. Leave it in the comment section below. Let me know if you already knew about this stock and whether or not you're in it or planning on getting into it. And if you want access to a private trading group where we have a group of over 1,600 traders of all experience levels, link is in the description below. We just had an insane week buying the dip on Laser, Segro, APXT, SBE. We bought the dip on Ride as well, which is Lordstown Motors. All of those stocks actually went apeshit this week. So if you want access to all of my trades and my portfolios, link is in the description below, and let's get right into it. All right, guys, back at the desk. Well, not really at the desk, but you know, you got to be flexible with the environment. It comes with the territory. So here's the alert that I was talking about where we bought Segro, Skills, which we sold already, SPC, APXT. Before that, we had Laser. Like I said, all of these are just skyrocketing. It's because we bought them at the optimal retrace levels. We bought these at their major moving averages. Most of them were at the 21 EMA. So this stuff is not magic. And there's a reason I'm not a fan of FOMOing at the top. So you can easily just wait on these stocks to retrace, on these stocks that you really want to own, that everybody's hyping on YouTube, before getting into them. There's no need to buy at the high and then suffer on the way down. You could just wait because all stocks will retrace to their means eventually. And like I said, if you want access to this wonderful group, link is in the description. So let us get right into what we came here for. This is the penny stock that is EV related that I'm talking about, NMGRF. I actually sent an alert out for this a few days, might be 2 weeks now, but I got in a bit early. It started dropping. It fell below the 21 EMA. However, now it is showing a bullish sign, crossing back over the 21 EMA. Now, this stock right now is 62 cents. It already hit a recent high of 75 cents, which would represent an additional 22% from here. And I'm super bullish on this stock going forward. But please keep in mind when I say super bullish, that is not a license to go ham and dump 100% of your portfolio in this. Again, you could do what you like. It's just position sizing is key when trading stocks. One bad trade, if oversized, can kill your entire portfolio. Me personally, I see a path for this stock to go above $1 and beyond. So let us get into the why. Now, we all know that lithium is a necessary main ingredient in the creation of lithium-ion batteries, specifically for EVs. The lesser known material that is required is graphite. And NMGRF, which is the ticker symbol for Nouveau Monde Graphite Inc., has 100% stake in the Matawinie project, which is the largest graphite project in North America. Now, Nouveau Monde is based in Montreal, Canada, and they are building 2 commercial scale pilot plant purification modules. I'm not a battery scientist. I don't know what that means, but from a financial standpoint, it means that they are preparing to scale up. They are gearing to scale up in a major way. And those modules that they are building are aiming to produce carbon neutral battery grade graphite by 2023. You can produce graphite now, but not in a carbon neutral manner, from what I understand and from the reading that I've done. Now, building out these 2 additional modules would make NMGRF the largest producer in North America of graphite at a time when a graphite shortage is forecast to develop. That's the other part of this. Not only is graphite critically needed for the production of EV batteries, at least in lithium-ion EV batteries. We'll talk about Quantumscape in a second. But there's also a forecast that there will be a shortage in graphite, making graphite and companies like NMGRF more valuable just by supply-demand logistics. There is a projected 500% growth in the demand of graphite by 2026. Now, while we are focusing on EVs, which graphite is a central part of, this isn't even a pure EV play. Graphite is needed for other things. And the president signed an executive order recently identifying 35 critical minerals, which graphite is one of them. And the plan there is for America to be less reliant on foreign adversaries. Now, Canada is not included on that list, Obviously, they're one of the US's biggest allies or main allies. So that would put NMGRF in a much better position as well if the US can source most of its graphite from Canada as opposed to countries that it might be in conflict with. Now, from a stock perspective, looking at the NMGRF chart, this is a very bullish uptrend pattern. This is what you see from companies like SE, Jinko Solar, Quantumscape, etc. This is a very bullish pattern. Like I said, this is still a penny stock. So I'm very happy entering NMGRF here as long as this trend is maintained. And if it drops further, as long as it stays above this trend line, then I will continue to add to my position. Now, when this trend line is broken is when you have to start thinking about potentially a shift in your sentiment. But I'm very bullish on this play going forward. Now, this differs from Quantumscape because, as we know, there is a difference in opinion between someone like Bill Gates and someone like Elon Musk, where Bill Gates's back company Quantumscape, they are doing batteries, EV batteries, a bit different. They are actually eliminating the need for graphite entirely. They are producing this solid state lithium battery that apparently doesn't need graphite. Now, this is not proven at all. However, Tesla's batteries are proven. So while Quantumscape's solution could maybe work, a veteran in the EV game like Elon thinks it's all vaporware. He actually disagrees with the methodology that Quantumscape is using for their batteries. But regardless of whether Quantumscape's solution is actually effective in the long term, we know that between now and the next few years, there's going to be a projected shortage in graphite. And Tesla, as well as other EV companies that do work off of the traditional lithium-ion battery, they're going to need tons more graphite in order to produce their batteries. So at 60-something cents, I'm happy to pick up what is going to be, or what is projected to be, the largest graphite mining company in North America, at least from a carbon neutral perspective. And for those of you that are asking about this trend line and what price would this be considered a broken play, well, this trend line keeps going up, obviously, so the price does dynamically change as the days move forward. But I would say right now, in the short term, anything below 50 cents, I would consider a potentially broken play. However, you can get a free TradingView account and learn to draw these trend lines on your own. And if you want help with all of that, you should join our group below, where we have a wide range of experienced traders, over 1,600 traders talking about trades, charts, options all day. There's even a beginner section where you get to learn. So sign up if you want. Link is in the description. Hit that thumbs up if you got anything out of this video. Leave it in the comment section below. Let me know if you are in this play or planning on getting in this play in the future. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Stay safe out there, traders. Peace.